Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. I know you guys are probably looking at me right now like she looks crazy, what's going on her head, but it's okay because in today's video I'm doing my hair with you guys. I'm actually going out in about an hour. I am running a little behind schedule, but I was like, let me get on camera and show them how I achieved this hairstyle because so many people have been asking about it. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved my Afro hairstyle. I'll go ahead and include some pictures on the screen of what I'm speaking about. And yeah, so I wanted to show you guys how I got this hairstyle. So many people have been asking me, and honestly it's not that hard. It's an easy 1, 2, 3 hairstyle that you can use on still hairstyles. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below because you're going to be back for more, sis. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my Afro hairstyle. So right now, my hair is a 3-day-old wash and go, and this is a perfect hair that I like to use to do my Afro hairstyle. So I never do my Afro hairstyle on like freshly washed hair. It's always on like old refurbished hairstyles. So 3-day-old wash and go, and this is how we're looking. It's very crusty, very, very crusty. I could like pick my hair out and wear it like this a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and do our afro, our signature afro. So to achieve this hairstyle, you don't need a lot of things. What you will need is an afro pick, a wide tooth comb, a clip to hold your hair, some light hold leave-in conditioner. So the leave-in conditioner that we'll be using today is from Dynasty, and it's their Kalahari smooth leave-in conditioner. And then I also use the Uncle Funky's Daughter Defunk Hair Refresher Tonic, and it smells so amazing. But that is basically what you need to achieve this hairstyle. So what I usually do is I section my hair in the back. I just take out a little bit at a time. So this is how much we're gonna get started with, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clip the rest of it up. So I went ahead and clipped the rest of it up. I actually ended up using 2 alligator clips. If I had a butterfly clip, I would only have to use 1. And this is the first section of hair that we're gonna get started working with. So as you guys can see, my hair is like dry and like it's no. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take the leave-in conditioner. And I like to use a light hold leave-in conditioner because if I use something that's too heavy, it'll kind of weigh the hair down. And when we have the afro, we want it to be big, we want it to be fluffy, we want it to be playful. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with 1 pump of this leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is so bomb. Like, it smells amazing, it works amazing. So if you haven't used this leave-in conditioner before, then I don't know what you're waiting for, sis. But they got it at Target and also on the Dynasty website, so make sure you go ahead and grab you up some. It is so bomb, like so bomb. So I started off with 1, and then I went ahead and added another 1 just because this section is a little bigger. So as you guys can see, this leave-in does, as you guys can see, the leave-in kind of has like a white residue at first, but then when you work it into your hair, it disappears. So yeah, I'll go ahead, work that leave-in in, and then I take my wide tooth comb and I start detangling from ends to roots. Whenever I do my afro, I never ever like wet my hair or dampen in my hair because it just won't give us our desired look. But I'll just go through and basically detangle. And this is how our first section looks after we do that. Nice and fluffy and bouncy and playful. So I basically am just gonna part my hair, repeat the same steps. I'll go ahead and fast forward this part, but I'll leave it in here so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing and to see the progression of our hair from to afro. detangles. We did get a lot of fallout. Like, I need a trim so bad. Like, look at how much of my hair came out when we detangled. After 3 days. But the next step is to take your pick, and just pick the roots. I do this so that it's not like a stiff afro. We want it to be nice and voluminous and fluffy and playful. And I do like shake my hair out a bit. The only thing with the afro hairstyle is that if you do need a haircut or your hair is uneven, it kind of highlights that. So just to let y'all know, I am loving how today's afro is coming out, honey. And then I kind of just like pick it out with my fingers to make sure it's not like indented in any areas. So this is the view from this side. And then this is the view from the other side. But I'm loving how it came out today. And I just picked the roots to my liking. Ow. That hurt. Pick. If you don't have a pick and you're natural, then I'm really questioning your life. But somebody's mowing the lawn outside. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear it on camera, but just don't watch that. Don't listen to that. And I'll make sure both sides are like even. And our little bang area is nice and even. And then the next thing that I do is I take my Uncle Funky's Daughter Defunk. This is a curl, basically a hair refresher tonic. It smells really good. I got this when I went to one of the Hue fairs. I forgot which one, but it smells so great. And whenever I have an afro, I don't know, I feel like the leave-in doesn't do enough for me as far as scents. So I usually just take this and just spray it to my hair. It gives it a nice little shine too, which I like, especially since, you know, our hair is a little bit older. But yeah, so this is basically how I create my afro look. This usually takes me like 5 minutes, but because I'm doing it on camera, it did take a little longer. But yeah, so this is how we're looking, and nice and cute with our highlight and our lip bar lipstick. This is Boss Lady from the Lip Bar. Boss Lady for a boss lady. But y'all see how our hair has like movement. I'm super excited. But yes, I went ahead and put my earrings on to get all cute. I told y'all I'm going out, so this is like a, I don't want to say get ready with me, but this is a part of my routine of me going out. But yeah, so this is how I achieve my afro. It's super easy. It doesn't require a lot of products. I usually keep my afros for like 3 days tops, and then I'll go ahead and it's wash day. But I love this hairstyle so much. It gives me like 90s vibes, and I get so many compliments when I wear it. So I love my afro. I love my afro just because I feel like it just fits me. Like, it makes my face look smaller too, which I like. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts or opinions. Are you guys going to try this? Have you guys tried it before and probably failed? Comment down below and let me know. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And also, it's the end of July, which means that our 1-year anniversary of Kensthetic's YouTube channel is coming up. So I have lots of great content coming for you guys. I have lots of great surprises coming for you guys. I have lots of great giveaways coming for you guys. So make sure you guys are also sharing my content as well, so that your family and your friends can tune in as well. So yeah, August is going to be a big month for us. So I hope everyone is ready. I have lots of trips planned, lots of fun things coming up. So I'm super excited. But yeah, that concludes today's video. I feel like I'm just chatting now. And as always, I'll go ahead and include my recent uploads here so that you guys can get caught up if you're not caught up already. And until my next video, I will see you guys later.